Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of the Monday Morning Inspiration. So talking about the ease of gratitude, like just with my example from right now, what if we can be grateful for everything, for the oopses, for the things that don't turn out the way that we thought they would, or when our paintings also take a different direction from what we thought they would be. Really, what I found out is that nothing really shows up the way we think it will. And it is sort of cool when we don't try to control it, when we allow for the mishaps, like when I'm on stage and I don't have what I thought I had with me, I'm looking for things, or things don't turn out the way I stop the performance before I was supposed to stop it, so then I have to keep going. Or it's like there's great beauty in the willingness to be grateful for the chaos that the universe and that we are creating, because we are also, like, just think about how much do we have to control ourselves, control our creations, control our art and our lives and pretty much everything, in order to have everything show up exactly the way we think it should or it will show up. And how many wonderful possibilities are we missing by having our blinders on and being focused on the schedule, being focused on the agenda or the timetable or whatever you choose to be focused on, rather than being the chaos that creates in the moment on the whim, and also uses things, the chaos, the chaotic being, the creative being that uses the mishaps to their advantage. Are you all willing to have that and be that? And so how can we create this? How can we? I'm so sorry if you are watching this on Facebook right now. I cannot, like, I had to minimize my Facebook window because I see myself talk with the time lag, which is really funny. So I'm in the future and in the past simultaneously, like, hello. Could this be what we always are, like, where we are everywhere? And so how can we use even the unpleasant moments and the pleasant moments and the mishaps to our advantage? So the first thing is gratitude. Wow, I'm grateful for this. And what can I create with this? What can I create in this very moment, like when we are going live on YouTube, or when we are on stage or in a performance, or maybe whatever it is for you, where you are with a live audience, you are on stage. On stage, things never work the way we think they will. There's always something. There's so many details that go into live performances and being live with an audience. Every single performance is so different, because why is that? Everyone who is in the audience on a different day, it's a different combination of people, right? It's never exactly the same crowd. No setting, no performance, no show, no art show is ever the same, because there are different people and we misplace things behind the scene, then we have to improvise, or our props don't work, and we tear things apart and they fall everywhere. It's like, and it's hilariously beautiful. I actually really enjoy it. It's like it's not even a challenge. I first wanted to say I enjoy the challenge of coming up with something, but it's actually not a challenge. It is, I don't know, I perceive it like there are like naughty creatures around, and they do the oopses and boopses and whatever mishappens and misfits, or and I play with them. So what if we played more in our lives? Like, what if nothing is really serious and severe, and it doesn't mean anything? So see, when we contract, right, it's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, now I'm live, I have no idea who is watching and who sees me, and who am I even talking with, because I only see this little green dot there on my computer, which is the camera. It is like, I have no idea who is there. And what if that is a greatness? I have no idea who's going to watch this video in the future. Who is going to come across it? What are they going to think? What are they going to, do they receive anything from it? Is it a contribution? Yes or no? And it's like, I'm just throwing this out like a ton of seeds, and I let go, knowing that these seeds are doing what they are doing. They are choosing, they are growing or not. And whoever finds it and gets inspired and maybe chooses something different or uses one of these tools, well, that's awesome. That's really great. And if not, I'm still grateful for all of you watching this or not watching this. And I'm grateful for the space that the Monday morning inspiration is, and the space we are creating all together here on the planet with the earth. And if you want to, just for a moment, pick, it's so much easier. Have you ever found it's so much easier to be grateful for when things show up the way we thought, or when something enjoyable comes our way? And oh, I'm so grateful. Or when the loving people come to our house, it is so much more easy to be grateful for the positive things. But what if we can be grateful for everything? Also the things that might not be so enjoyable, or whatever people are choosing, if you have a point of view about that. Well, what if we can still be grateful for everything, and then still also choose what works for us? So maybe take a thing right now where you had a mishappen, or something didn't turn out the way you thought. Maybe you were not invited into, I don't know, you didn't get the role in the casting, or you were not invited to the event. You were not the chosen one. This is funny. I have to be the chosen one. Yeah, will you please all let that go? Wow, that could take us right now totally into a different direction. I would just for now ask, what if you choose you? So take a moment where where it still has a charge in your universe. Somebody said something to you, or anything, like just pull one of those. And lower all your walls and barriers. And more. All the backup ones. Just in case I need more walls, I can always pull those up and just push them all into the earth. Push them all the way into the earth, just for now. And now, be that space of gratitude. Like the last time you were grateful for a beautiful flower, for a gift, for a person or something. That energy of real gratitude, or gratitude for the birds singing. Like that, where you know that energy and the space of gratitude. And now bring that into the oops moment or the mishap and the rejection. Bring that gratitude there. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for all of this. I'm so grateful where I did not get the role. I'm so grateful for the people who were looking at my art. I'm so grateful for my art. I'm so grateful for my creations. I'm so grateful. Like, and make that gratitude really big, and also include where you were rejected, where things did not turn out the way, or where you did not sell one painting in an exhibit, or where somebody said something about your creations, about your sculpture, where somebody had a point of view. And use that energy and that space of gratitude. And will you please still be grateful also for your art, for your creations, and not throw them out with the bathwater? And what do you notice? Has something changed? Is your body more relaxed? What do you notice? Is something different? Can we really be grateful for everything? What if we can? Gratitude and judgment cannot exist together. Like, watch for that, right? Like, and you can yeah, play with it. When you judge something, you cannot be grateful. And when you are grateful, you cannot have any judgment. So with gratitude, gratitude is this wonderful space that we can be and create and choose, where judgment will not exist. And how wonderful would that be? The ease of gratitude. Just now, do you have more ease in your world? I don't see any heads nodding or any like, yes, me. It's like, let me know, when you watch and rewatch or whatever, find this video, let me know with just this short moment of gratitude. And you can make a moment of gratitude every morning, or every when you go to bed at night, or any time in between, to practice gratitude. And then make it bigger, make it more. Like, I wonder if we all were grateful all the time for everything, then what can we create? What can we choose? When we have no judgment in our universe, we will actually have total choice. So I hope this Monday morning inspiration is an inspiration for you and it changes something for you. If you have questions, let me know. Other than that, keep creating. Don't allow anyone, anything to stop you, and also don't allow you to stop you. Don't allow any judgment to stop you from creating and from being the wonderful you that you actually really are. And I let you go. Have a great week, and I see you next week, next Monday, for the Monday morning inspiration. Thank you so much. And it would be so amazing to see you somewhere in a class, or in person or online, whatever, or in one of my events, if they are going to be this year. So stay tuned. Subscribe for my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe for my email newsletter via my website at bettinamadini.com, and I will let you know irregularly where I'm going to be and what's up with my art and my other creations. So I let you go. Have a wonderful day, and I see you soon. Bye bye. Ciao. Arrivederci.